Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I want to talk about this. Figma is working on Figma sites. So this is like a framework webflow alternative, I'm guessing. So we have this is probably the intro screen, and I'm not sure what this is. Probably the live button. They have like a radio thing here. So this is probably whether to know if the site is live. They, I think they have like an infinite canvas for this, and this seems to they have the A button, but this seems to be like a code for something. And the responsive layout, that's good. They have rectangle, pen, image, text, comment, everything. But yeah, I'm guessing this is like the framer alternative, which is great. You can make landing pages with it, so that's good. And they have the this is mostly from Framer, I'm guessing. Yeah, they have the exact same settings page with the title, description, language, text, everything. So that's good. And the code layer. Okay, so we can probably add some code from our app itself, and they have all this designed responsively. Get started with blocks. Play with, so they have like templates too. That's good. Play with code on the canvas. Okay, you can edit code. Okay, that's good. And yeah, you can publish. Reminder about confidentiality. Feel free to share a link to it, but please don't mention it was made in Figma. Okay. Publish to web. Okay, whenever you're ready, you can publish to website. Okay. Preview before you publish. That's good. Okay. Yeah, this looks good. This is like an exact copy of Framer. For the landing pages, their preview also has landing pages in it, but yeah, this will probably be a good copy of Framer, and they also have the ability to generate websites with Claude, I'm guessing. So that'll be also good. So this will be Framer alternative, lovable alternative, bolt alternative, easy alternative, and yeah, everything will be happening in Figma itself. But most likely, I want a like a full-fledged app. So I heard rumors that it has like a super base integration, but I want something like Retool. So Retool is something for where is it? Like building custom software. So this has all the building blocks to create your own software. So this has all the yeah connections with all the integrations. You can design it, you can have full control of the code, debug, review, deploy, everything. So this is like building your own internal software, your own things you can connect everywhere, and you can just use it, that's all. So I want something like this. Instead of making a landing page, I want to create like full-fledged apps. So maybe that will be the direction they will go, because Framer is just for landing pages mostly at this moment. But yeah, I would love some just integrations with Clerk, Superbase, Convex, and everything, and just make full-fledged apps that I can create in Figma itself. That'll be great. Yeah. So yeah, this is my thoughts. Yeah, let's see how Figma sites uh, comes, and probably this is the end of Framer. I'll probably never touch Framer again if this happens. Yeah, that's it for this video. Bye bye.